Today was a leadership workshop in the St. George campus of the U of T that we came here with school. And the workshop was very fun. It was interactive. We did activities, fun activities and physical activities.
I feel like it was a really ideal experience for students who wants to become a student leader like me.
I really like writing down my values because it helped me, understand myself better.
I think I really got to know many people's different opinions and based on their different background and culture, and that is one thing that's really special that Braemar can only do.
I really like the school because it allows us to go to experiences like this, which allow us to better know ourselves.
One other high school student like me to join the Braemar College if you wish, because the school put a lot of extra effort and clubs and activities to be able to get into the real world instead of spending all of your time in your classroom studying all day.
In normal schools you would normally just go to school and that's it, but Braemar College puts that extra effort into taking you out, doing stuff. I would never have come into the U of T campus and experienced all of this if it wasn't for Braemar College.